Hello, hi. In this module, I wish to tell about this IP version 6, which is very much in use. I'll describe about why this IPv6 has come across uh, along with IPv4. So also I'll be describing about how IPv6 address types and of course some special address like reserved address. This includes lab of demonstrating V6 even on Windows system as well as Linux system. Okay, let me move ahead with briefly describing about why and what is V6. So this is actually the next generation internet protocol. Very reason why this V6 has come across because of the IPv4 inevitable looming address exhaustion crisis. That means that the IPv4 can address a maximum of 4 billion, that is 2 power 32. So beyond that, we don't have any address space. To overcome that crisis, IPv6 has come across during the late 90s and which is more in use today in most of the servers as well as in mobile computing. So here in V6 we have many improvements over IPv4. It has the flexibility, efficiency, capability of and optimized functionality that can truly meet our ever increasing needs. So one more important point I want to mention here. So V6 can understand V4. So all V4 networks can be placed as it is. Along with that, V6 can communicate with V4 also. So here in V6, how this is addressed is we have a total about 128 bits. In V4 we have 32, in V6 it is 128. So the total addressing capacity is 2 raised power 128. That is a huge number. And in that 128 bit addressing system, we have about 16 bits colon 16 bits colon 16 bits, that like that 8 hextets. We don't call it octets. Octets we call it V4. Similarly, we call it hextets, 16 bits separated by column. The representation in V6 is in column. So here you can see the first three hextets are global prefix, and the fourth hextet, which is of 2 power 16 bits, which are reserved for subnet, and later 64 bits are reserved for the interfacing ID. You can see this is shortened expression, how we express. See, whenever there are zeros in between, you can have one double colon in the total IP addressing. Remember how many number of zeros are there? You can have only one double colon in the entire address space. So you have various type of address space: unicast, global unicast, link local, unicast local, multicast, and anycast. So these are the reserved addressing space. You can see all zeros equivalent to IPv4 of 000 is a stateful configuration. And remember this one, this is very important. 127.0.0.1 we call as local host in V4. The same one is represented in V6 as colon 1, or 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 1. So all zeros can be represented as double colon and 1. And now the previous addressing like V4 also can be used along with V6. This is a mix of V6 and V4. The communication happens through the process called as tunneling. So here you can address with a new addressing system replacing the existing one like FC00 colon, maybe you can mention 192.168 1.100 or 100.1, whatever is the existing address space. That will translate to IPv6 including V4 addressing. So the most common used for local unicast is FC00 /7. So these are the reserved address which are meant for specific purpose. 2000 /3 is global unicast address range. The multicast FF00 /8. So in V4 we have the multicast range starting from 224 to 239 of the starting network addressing. But here we have FF00 /8. All bits are considered for multicast. And similarly 2001 colon ODB8 is considered for documentation. So similarly 2002 is used for the transition system. So these are the special and reserved addressing which are used for V6. Now let me quickly configure on Windows system. On Windows system first I'll demonstrate, and later I'll be demonstrating on a Linux system also, and see how these two are communicating. So go to control panel in Windows and explore network and sharing. You can see this Ethernet. So now what I will do, I will configure this to V6. So just say properties, click this properties. Under this, enable this V6, Internet Protocol V6, and say properties. Here already I have configured this address. If you have a DHCP server, you can enable automatically. But here I am using this FCOO colon colon 10 colon 100. So that means that, so and this 112 represents for the subnet. So here 128 minus of 112, that comes to 2 power 16 address range. So that is approximately 64K of hosts I can make use in this particular network. If you want to have another network, you can make use FC00 colon colon 20 colon series. Similarly 30 colon series. The last, I mean 16 bits which are there are considered as hosts, and remaining all the 7 hex states can be considered as networks. So the gateway also I have configured as FC00 colon 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 10 colon 1, and now you can say validate and say okay. So just say close and say close. So now I can go to, I mean, cprompt and say ipconfig. Oh, you can see this V4 address as well as V6 address also here. FC00 colon colon 10 colon 100. So I can even do a ping test colon colon 10 colon 100. It is pinging. Its reply is pinging. Okay, that's fine. So now let us also learn about how you can configure V6 on my Linux system. So for this I am using Red Hat Linux server. So this is my Red Hat Linux server. I will try to configure V4 as well as V6. Presently you can say, when you say ifconfig, you can see this V4 only is configured, that is 192.168.123. What I will do, I will configure the address of FC00 colon colon 10 colon 101. Okay, so for this I can use even NMTUI tool or even NMCLI. So I'll be demonstrating using this NMCLI. So the command line, remember the address which you are going to configure is next to this one, FC00 colon colon 10 colon 100. I'm going to use 101. NMCLI, so I can say connection modify. So the interface name is ENS33 modify. I can say ENS33 IPv6 dot address is FC00 colon colon, I mean 10 colon 101, sorry 101 slash 112 is the subnet. I think I need to keep in quotes. IPv6 dot method manual. So now you can see NMCLI connection up, that is ENS33. So now connection successfully activated. You can see now ifconfig 00. This is the new address. Okay. So now you can even try to ping. I think we have to use this ping -6 FC00 colon colon 10 colon. I'm trying to ping local 101. Yes, it is pinging. Let me even ping with the Windows server. I think the firewall needs to be disabled. Otherwise, we will try from here. Ping FC00 colon colon 10 colon 101. Yes, it is replying. So it is perfect. It is perfect. Once you disable firewall on Windows, you can see in the reverse way also. In this way, we can make use IPv6 on Windows as well as Linux systems also. Thank you.